So here's a case after an accident. They had the battery out and they jump started and everything. It's coming out 104 degrees out of the dash. Now if you here, we're so cold we're condensating water. So the evaporator is cold, but it's coming out 140 degrees. So the blend air doors are out of calibration. So I told him, go get your scan tool. You're supposed to charge the insurance company for this. See, a lot of guys will just do this. No, this is an extra charge to the insurance company, just like the glass that's coming out here. You have to stop, do a supplement. The car doesn't get delivered to all this glass. That dash comes apart. The vents that go into the HVAC case comes apart and all the glass is blown out, it cleaned up, and then the dash is put back together. He didn't know he was supposed to get paid for that. I just told him about it. He didn't know about, I was telling him about a lot of things you can charge for and get paid for. He's a young guy, he's learning, he was not properly mentored. And that's the problem in this industry. There's no proper mentoring. It's a bunch of salesmen and managers and service writers getting into the business who have no mechanical background, who shouldn't be in the business in the industry in the first place. Then guys starve, and then they get desperate, and then they skip things, and then it's just a spiraling down the toilet industry by not mandating proper mentoring. And so he was surprised. I was telling him how much this should be and charge the insurance company, and if they don't want to do it, put it in black and white writing that they're going to accept all responsibility to drivers and passengers about glass coming out into the eyes. And you'll watch the insurance company flip on them really fast about taking care of that, because the insurance company will allow you, the shop, to be at fault and take the blame, but when it's going to come be passed to them, you'll see them change their tune really fast. Especially here in California, we have lawyers who love companies with deep pockets, especially if you get stuff in black and white writing. Always sign and date everything.